Sunday, October 27th, 2024. Little Rock, Arkansas. A large group stormed a gas station, looting items before police arrived. As officers attempted to stop a 2008 Acura RDX, the driver sped off onto I-440, refusing to yield. The chase hit 85 miles per hour, but a precise TVI maneuver sent the vehicle spinning out of control, coming to a stop on the highway. All 5 suspects were immediately detained, and the case was handed over to the Little Rock Police Department. Reckless choices may be fast, but justice never lags behind.
Stop right there! Stop right there! Stay! Get on the ground! Stay right there, don't move! Stop! Get in the car! Don't move! Stop fighting with them! Stay there! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get out of the car! Get on the car! Hey, down there! Get on the ground!
Tom George Henry.
Saturday, October 26th, 2024, 11:45 p.m., Pine Bluff, Arkansas. A grey GMC Sierra was spotted with a broken tail lamp, but the driver ignored police signals and sped away. The vehicle hit 70 miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone, forcing officers to execute a precise TVI to bring the chase to a halt. Despite this, driver Gary Orton still tried to accelerate away, but his escape attempt failed.
Residential area. Speed's only 50 miles per hour. Still in the territory. Headed just off.
Upon searching, officers discovered a syringe containing methamphetamine in Orton's hand and a small bottle of white crystals in his pocket. He was arrested on site and now faces multiple charges, including drug possession and driving with a suspended license. A broken tail light is fixable. Your criminal record isn't.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Get it out. Listen to me. Hey, look, I got it. Get him. I got this. We got him. Let me get. Oh, God damn it, please. Come on, man. Oh, shit. Nah.
What are you doing?
I was trying to get the check back to my daddy. That's all. Wait, get out. Ow, ow, ow.
Shit. Get over here, man.
He's got a needle.
Just on.
We're not trying to get close to the jet. Okay.
It's not over there on the jet on the toolbox. I got it.
Don't touch. Don't.
Got it. This right here.
Thursday, July 21st, 2022, 11:32 p.m. I-20, Georgia. A blue Honda Odyssey was clocked at 90 miles per hour in a 70 miles per hour zone. Police signalled a stop, but the driver fled, weaving through traffic, brake-checking officers and running a red light.
Hold on. She might hit me. Hold on. I'll try to set it right here. Set it right here. Hold on, you better do it right here. Hold on. Hold on. Run the red light. Yeah. Set up for a bit.
After multiple near collisions, officers successfully executed a PIT manoeuvre, forcing the vehicle to stop on Whitehall Street. 2 female passengers were detained, with Tina Tarbue admitting she was the driver and fled due to outstanding warrants. A search of Bowie's bag revealed a 9mm handgun and 0.52 ounces of methamphetamine. A background check confirmed her license was suspended, and she had 2 active warrants. A speeding ticket is one thing, turning it into a felony is another.
You back? 95. 2 Hispanic females. Started 52 for me. She said she got stomach pains.
Clear 1052 for stomach pain.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Monday, March 25th, 2025, Orange County, Florida. A 26-year-old Orlando man sparked chaos on I-4 after refusing to stop for troopers. The Chrysler 200 sped westbound from Volusia County, weaving recklessly through traffic across several miles. Near mile marker 86, a trooper performed a precise pit manoeuvre, sending the vehicle spinning to a halt. The driver was injured and taken to hospital. Authorities haven't released full details on his condition. Honestly, had he just pulled over, things might have ended very differently. Running never really works out. Saturday, October 26, 2024, 9:07 p.m. Mound City, Arkansas. A white SUV jumped the median, fleeing recklessly on Interstate 40.
We just passed Mound City. I think he's pulling over at MLK. He's getting off on MLK. Okay, we're 1037. He's passing vehicles. We're getting back on MLK. He's going southbound. 29 TBI, Cam. 29 TBI, Cam.
A perfectly executed TVI stopped the chase, and driver Octavius Felix was arrested. 2 female passengers were checked and released. Felix's bag contained marijuana and a digital scale. He now faces multiple charges, including evading police and drug possession. He tried to outsmart the law, but the outcome was inevitable. You can run, but justice runs faster.
Come to me. Turn around. Back away from me. Back up. Back up.
I'll come to you. Here, you go to
Back
him.
away from me. Back up. Back up. Go down to your knees. Put your hands up. I said your knees.
Get up here with me. Climb over and come on.
We got one in the back.
Yeah.
All right. Turn around. Come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to me.
Sunday, May 30th, 2021, Carroll County, Georgia. A grey Saturn V UE was clocked doing 73 in a 55 mile per hour zone. When the officer approached, the driver took off from a gas station, flying through intersections and over double yellow lines at speeds over 100 miles per hour.
Clear, Old Airport, Shady Grove Road.
Turn left on Shady Grove, turn going north, south Hillside Road.
And we'll pull your left on Shady Grove Road. That's Shady Grove Road.
Shady Grove
A pit maneuver ended the chase, spinning the car into a guardrail. Both suspects were taken into custody. The driver, Daniel Jerome Breimer, admitted he ran because he had no license and a warrant for skipping court. No license, no plan, just a one-way ticket to jail.
Head round, right on both sides round.